When dispense head O-ring replacement is necessary, Integris can provide an O-ring replacement kit. This kit would include instructions on how to take the O-rings off the dispense head, as well as replacing the new O-rings on the dispense head. The kit would include O-ring removal tools for each of the 3 O-rings, as well as guide plugs for each of the 3 O-rings. Let me walk you through the steps in actually changing out the O-rings on a dispense head. The first O-ring to remove is the smallest O-ring with O-ring removal tool number 3. Engage the O-ring removal tool, rotating forward will remove the O-ring. The next O-ring is number 2 gauge, rotating forward removes the O-ring. The last O-ring requires you to rotate forward, moving as well as rotating to remove that O-ring. The next step would be to place the new O-rings over the O-ring grooves, putting number 3 O-ring or the smallest O-ring in place, medium O-ring on number 2, and the largest O-ring in number 1. Place the guide plugs back over the O-rings. And using the dispensing head, centering the head over the O-ring guide plug, forcing downward, will engage that O-ring into its location. Check to ensure the O-rings are in place and the operation is complete.